Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening any kind of app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then tap on the settings icon in the upper panel. Then let's go to languages, so the first option, and tap on Add Keyboard. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose, so simply scroll and find your language and tap on it. After finding, you will be able to choose the keyboard layout, and the number of layouts depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different layouts. So just mark the option which you'd like to use and then tap on Done. As you can see, the language has been immediately applied, and before I'll show you how to remove the previous one, or basically any language that you don't want to use, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let me go back. As you can see here, we've got the hint, we've got a new icon, a globe icon, which is also called language key, thanks to which we can change the layout. So now we've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can switch to the other language. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So if you wish to remove the language, open the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this list, tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now mark the language which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.